As you've discovered, Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based service with online capability required to make use of its features. While much of Microsoft 365's capability is locked into the cloud, you can still use many Office apps on your desktop. Over at Westcal, Thomas is also beginning to make use of Microsoft 365's offline capabilities. Thomas has received a company laptop from Westcal. He needs to download some Microsoft Office applications to his new laptop so that he can use them when offline. Thomas can use the installation feature in Microsoft 365 to add these applications to his desktop. Here's a quick recap of some Office applications that you can download and use on your desktop. Applications that are commonly used on the desktop include Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So how do you add and use these Office applications within a Windows desktop? To start off, explore the download and installation processes for Office apps. To install the current version of Office, click the Install Office drop-down button. Then click the Office 365 Apps option that appears near the top right-hand corner of the landing page. An instruction dialog box appears after you save the file with some simple installation instructions. Once the download has been completed, locate and open the Office setup file. A security pop-up appears asking if you would like the current app to make changes. Click Yes. The Setup wizard then downloads all the files that are needed to install Office on your computer. Once all files have been downloaded, the wizard then installs Office. After the installation is completed, the Office apps are available to use on your computer. Now that you've installed the apps, you need to access them. Type Office into the search bar on your computer. Click the Office icon to open it. The Office app homepage opens. You can now view and select the apps that your subscription plan includes. To open any Office desktop app, select the Related App tile. To explore more apps, click All Apps to expand. If you select one of these apps from the Office app and a desktop version of your selected app is available, then the desktop version will open. If a desktop version is not available, then the app will open in your browser. If you already have a copy of Microsoft Office installed on your computer, or if you are installing Office for the first time, you may be required to sign into it. The sign-in process is really simple. First, open a desktop Office app. In this example, Microsoft Word is open. To sign in, click the Sign In button that appears in the top right-hand corner. This action displays the Sign In dialog box, which might already be shown on screen. Next, type the email address associated with your Microsoft account. Then click Next. Type in your password, then click Sign In. Keep in mind that passwords are case sensitive. You may be presented with another screen that asks if you would like to stay signed in to all your apps or just the selected one. Consult your organization for advice on how you should proceed. The current copy of Office that has been installed onto your computer is now signed in using your Microsoft 365 account. You're now up to speed with downloading and installing Microsoft 365 applications, opening your Office desktop apps, and signing into Microsoft 365 Office applications. Great work!